Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you will never miss a video. In today's video, we are going to be talking about a topic that I know is on a lot of your mind: stretch marks. We all have them and we all want to get rid of them. So I have done some research and I've used it personally, and I've found the absolute best remedy to remove stretch mark. You wouldn't believe how effective it is. So without further delay, let's jump right in. Now, before we get into the remedy, let's talk a little bit about what stretch marks are. Stretch marks are a type of scarring that occurs when the skin is stretched rapidly, such as during pregnancy, weight gain, or growth spots. The rapid stretching causes the collagen and elastin in the skin to break down, resulting in the appearance of thin reddish or purplish lines on the skin. But don't worry, there is hope. The remedy I'm going to share with you today has been proven to significantly reduce the appearance of stretch marks, and in some cases even eliminate them completely. And the best part is it's all natural and super easy to make at home. So what is this magical remedy, you may ask? It is a homemade stretch mark cream made with cocoa butter, coconut oil, and vitamin E oil. Let's go deeper on the use of each of these ingredients and their benefit on your skin so that you understand it better. The first ingredient is cocoa butter. Cocoa butter is a natural fat extracted from cocoa beans. It is rich in antioxidants and fatty acid, which can help to improve skin elasticity and also hydrate your skin. It is also known for its ability to reduce the appearance of scars and stretch marks, making it an ideal ingredient for this remedy. In the absence of cocoa butter, cocoa powder can be substituted. Second ingredient is coconut oil. Coconut oil is another natural fat that is known for its moisturizing properties. It can help to hydrate and nourishes the skin, making it softer and more supple. It also has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to reduce redness and inflammation associated with stretch mark. And the final ingredient is vitamin E oil. You can get the capsule and pop out the oil, or you just get pure vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is powerful antioxidant that can help to protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. It also promotes skin healing and regeneration, which can help to improve the appearance of stretch marks over time. Vitamin E oil can also help to moisturize the skin and improve its overall texture and tone. Overall, these ingredients work together to create a powerful stretch mark cream that can help to reduce the appearance of stretch marks and improve the overall health and appearance of the skin. Here is how you can make it. Start by melting half cup of cocoa butter in a double boiler or in the microwave. Once the cocoa butter is melted, add half cup of coconut oil and stir until well combined. But if you are using cocoa powder, you don't need to melt. You just fetch the cocoa powder directly and mix other ingredients to it. Remove from heat and let the mixture cool slightly. Add in 1 tablespoon of vitamin E oil and mix well. Pour this mixture into a clean, dry container and let it cool completely before using. You can be using this cream morning and at night, that is twice a day, every alternate days. And when you want to use, massage it gently on the area where you have the stretch marks and allow it to stay and penetrate well. You have to massage very well so that the cream can penetrate deep into the skin. With consistency, you start to see results within few weeks, but just be patient and be consistent. Remember to keep yourself hydrated, avoid late night eating, stay more on fruits and vegetables, and exercise regularly. And there you have it, the best remedy to remove stretch marks I've seen so far. I hope you find this video helpful. If you try out this remedy, be sure to let us know how it works for you in the comment section down below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.